Children come to us today with many, many burdens. It's just not their backpacks that are heavy. Children come to us with different learning disabilities. They come to us with different learning styles. They come to us with emotional baggage, and our teachers have a responsibility to help them learn to the best of their ability. We live in a technology-rich society. It is necessary for us to bring that technology into our classrooms. Our students are passionate about technology because it's what they're using at home to play games. If we can make learning in the classroom as exciting as the games they play at home, we've really hit a home run. eSpark Learning is technology that allows our children to use highly individualized apps to enable them to improve their skills. It's very important today to make learning fun, and eSpark makes learning fun. They provide games and opportunities for children to work through skill sets, to reinforce their learning. At the end, they're responsible for their assessment as they do a reteaching tool. They do a video that shows exactly how much they have learned.
My favorite thing about eSpark is when you learn about math and reading and you do a lot of fun games that help you learn.
My favorite thing about eSpark is they make the videos entertaining and they break down the problems for you to understand.
My favorite game for the eSpark is the birds game. It helps me do the multiplication and it helps me to do math better and easier.
Anything that excites our students excites our teachers. Even our most struggling students are loving eSpark because they're experiencing success. What is more fulfilling than seeing a light bulb go off in a child's head when he can read something or do a math calculation that he wasn't able to do before? And for children to be actively involved in their learning and to be so excited about their learning, it makes our teachers' jobs that much easier.